What's going on, guys? Let's go ahead and check out the 2002 BMW 325i. For all of you luxury lovers out there, you have a very affordable vehicle right here that will get you around everywhere. You got nice little fog lights right there at the bottom with some neat looking lamps. You got the matching color side view mirrors on the side, and you also got your blinkers, making it extra safe to drive. Vehicle overall is very well taken care of, and it is equipped with the alloy rims. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk. So, as you can see, it's got a nice, decent sized trunk. Alright, so underneath you got yourself your spare jack and the wrench. And if you ever needed to get to your battery, you just pull this up and it's right in there. You have your power seats right here, as well as all of the memory for the seats, depending on how many drivers you got inside of it. On the steering wheel, you have all your voice commands, plus the volume controls for the radio, and you also got yourself your cruise settings right here. You have all of your light settings, plus your fog light lamps right here. All of the power windows are actually by the shifter as well. And some of you that may have never owned one of these, your door locks are actually right here, right next to your emergency button. So a lot of the time, you always want to go right in there, but you got it here. You got yourself your two little cup holders and a little armrest right here, making it a very smooth and comfortable ride. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Ooh. So, it is equipped with a radio. You also have AC and heater, which are both blowing really, really cold and hot. You also have your seat warmers right here, in case you guys ever hit, temperatures that are a little bit too cold. You have yourself your lighter right here, plus the 12-volt port, and a little compartment right in there. You got yourself the glove compartment with all the original owner's literature right in there. Now, it is equipped with the Harman Kardon premium sound system, so you have tweeters, speakers, another set of tweeters, and you also have tweeters and speakers on the rear as well. Full leather interior, so it's very comfortable. Let's go ahead and, I almost forgot, you have yourself a little sunroof right there as well. Let's go ahead and become a passenger. So as a passenger, this is almost all the way back. Still got a little bit of room, so it is a fairly comfortable ride for both the driver and passenger. And on top of that, you have a plastic backing, so if you ever have anybody that's riding in the back that loves to just chuck stuff around, it's definitely not going to mess up the leather interior. You also have yourself your little pockets for driver and passenger in case you ever wanted to hold that stuff, and you got a little compartment right in here. In order to open up the hood, you just pull on this, and look at that. You got yourself your 6-cylinder 2.5 liter motor. Alright, this thing boasts about 185 horsepower, so definitely has a lot of power. And on top of that, you got yourself 19 miles to the gallon in the city and 26 miles to the gallon in the highway. So not only are you getting quite a bit of power in the vehicle, but you're also getting pretty decent fuel economy. This was the 2002 BMW 325i. Let us know if you have any questions about the vehicle, or if you'd like to set up an appointment so you can come and take it out for a test drive. Our phone number here is 559-444-0123. Let us know if you have any questions, and if you watch the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye!